So this has to be by far one of the cheapest things I bought off of Amazon. As you can see on this side, the hole is punched out. The other side is not. Then I tried to, use whatever tools I could while putting it together to punch the hole out. And it just broke. And still, this is how you put it together. Like, the whole thing is cheap. And they expect a little kid to ride on this and not break it.
Okay, their product is seriously faulty and can hurt a kid. Look how this thing sits in here with a high tension spring. It doesn't. It's there. So if this mechanism is moved in any way, guess what gets shot out? This. And also, while I'm on it, whoever designed the instructions for these things should probably go back to school. So yeah, I wouldn't buy this product.
Okay, go.
Don't go long enough to scoop. That goes crooked.
Yeah. Okay, you think that's good enough?
Mm-hmm. It should be good enough to deter anyway.
Got a construction worker on a mission.
And we get taken care of. That Daddy has to. I'll pay Daryl.